I don't know why. I don't know if you heard me, Danki Kang, but are you using OBS? Sorry, are you using CodePen? The get day is not a function. Okay, so this is just because you're not creating a new date. So you just need to say, are you still there? So you just need to do this. There, now you got it. So you just need to say new date. Because just calling date, so this is, date is like a object constructor thing, so you have to say new before it. It's just not gonna, it's not gonna return what you're expecting if you just do date. In order to get like all of the functions on it, you have to do new date, and it's because that'll give you all the prototypes and stuff. So now you can do that. And are you still there, by the way? Dan Ki Kang, are you still there? Whew. And we got reordering working. Pretty sweet. Okay, so I'm going to report an issue on myself. We're going to go into GitHub. We're going to go into Remake. We're going to go into issues. We're going to go into new issue. We're going to do bug report. Describe the bug. Dan Ki Kang, did you leave? Oh man, I had the answer for you too, Dan Ki. Oh. No, it was totally me. I crashed. My whole thing crashed. Maybe it's an internet-wide blackout. Maybe it's not even my fault. But yeah, so you just want to do this. So in your console, you just do new date. You need the new call before it in order for it to get the prototypes and stuff. If you just call date, I don't know, it gives you something, but date is like an object constructor, so you need to call new before it in order to get all the prototype functions on it, like get day and stuff like that. So that's to answer your question. Just by the way, like a little word of warning, you might not want to use the native date library. Why not use JS date? There's just like some weird things about it. You could read this article or like this article. This CSS Tricks is an amazing resource. But basically, like one of the biggest things is parsing dates is a little weird with new date, and then also months are like 0 indexed, but other things aren't 0 indexed. It's something like that. Yeah, month of the year, 0 to 11, but then the day is 1 through 31. So this is super weird. Month is 0 indexed, but the day is not. And the hour is 0 indexed, obviously, right? Those all make sense. But yeah. So yeah, just so you know, just like read a guide on it. But there's also libraries like, so Moment.js is huge. It's a huge library, so you probably don't want to use that. But there are other libraries. Oh, you could also probably learn a lot from this article. I know that this article is really good. Oh, but day.js. I've heard really good things about that. Day.js. And I guess maybe the internationalization API has gotten a lot better. And then there's date functions. But I've heard good things about day.js. Really good modern API without all of the weight of Moment.js. So if you can include this in your project, it's going to make working with dates a lot easier. Also, yeah, I don't know. This might be worth looking at as like a comparison of different date functions or whatever. But you probably don't need this much detail right away. Yeah. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so I'm submitting a bug report on myself. So describe the bug. JavaScript inside the app directory is always compiled when files change, but client-side JavaScript inside the remake directory is not watched, so it's not recompiled. This makes working on the client side framework pretty hard because you have to recompile every time. Okay, to reproduce, whatever. Not gonna put that, or I don't know, we'll say npm run dev, and then edit something in remake client side. Okay. Expected behavior when you edit front end JS inside inside the app, wherever it is, it's recompiled. Okay, screenshots, nope. Desktop, nope. Smartphone, nope. Additional context, nope. Oh no, oh no, what just happened? What just happened? What just, are you serious? What just happened? I pressed like Control up and it, oh my god, that's so annoying. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Okay. JavaScript in the remake client side folder doesn't cause the asset bundler to recompile the JS. Okay, to reproduce npm run dev and edit a file in expected behavior. Oh my god, Command Shift down. Why would this do that? Why would Command Shift down do this? What does this even mean? What is this? Oh god. Thank you for following Dan Key King. Super fucking weird. Okay. It's probably some browser plugin I have installed or something. Like Command Shift down. Ugh. Weird. Okay. Okay. Editing JS in one more try. Remake. Client side. Client side should cause JS to recompile. All JS to compile. npm run dev and edit file in here. Okay. Sure. Just copy and paste. I don't even care. Okay. Editing JS in the client side remake framework should cause recompilation of JS. Okay. Submit new issue. Labels. Bug. Help wanted. Okay. Nice. So another issue I need to figure out. So I'm done for today. We got the sortable plugin working, kind of. It's not going to work with, well, it does work with new items actually, but it's not going to work if those new items have sortable things inside of them, but I'll fix that later, probably after I fix the JavaScript compilation issue. I'll be on tomorrow, probably around the same time, probably around 1 p.m. Hopefully, I'll have a new copy of OBS by then, which will not crash on me fucking 4 times a stream. I'll see you guys later. Have a really good night, and yeah, I'm excited about the Remake launch in about 20 days. So if you guys are excited about the Remake launch too, please try out Remake, play around with it, test it, find bugs, fix issues if you want. Help me build this and make this launch a success. That would be so cool. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later, and see you tomorrow. Bye.